In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to remove or clear junk files in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to proceed to the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and then that way you'll be able to bring up a small window called Run. Or you can simply navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Run. Okay, so once you are here in this small window, please type for the first run command, which is prefetched. It is prefetch. Click on the OK button here, and you would be receiving kind of window where it asks you to go with or give permission, go with continue. And that way you would be able to see all of the junk files, the registries, the bugs that are being created by the system and not by you. Definitely it will not delete the data or the important or the personal data that you have saved here in your PC. So only you will be able to remove all the junk files, the registries that are being created by the system. So by that you need to press Control A to select the whole and then press Shift to delete key, or either go with the trash bin icon and go with click on yes so that you will be able to delete it. Okay, so wait until it should be successfully deleted. Okay, and once you have deleted all of such, you need to close the window and proceed to the second one. So the second method would be you need to press Windows key and R key again, but this time please type for temp. It is TAMP, and click on the OK button to continue. So again, you will be able to see a list of junk files here. All you need to do is you need to press Control A to select the whole, Shift to delete it, and go with yes to permanently delete this item. Once you have seen that this folder is empty, close the window and move on to the third step. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So the third step is that you need to press Windows key and R key again, but this time please type for percentage temp percentage. Again, it is percentage temp percentage, and click on the OK button here. And that way you'll be able to see a list of junk files again. Press Control A to select the whole, Shift to delete, and then click on the yes button here, and then there are some folder that is being denied. Just have to click on skip to continue. Okay, so there are some folders that are news. Just have to skip that so that you can complete it. So once you are done, just have to close the window and proceed to the last step. So the last step would be you need to press Windows key and R key again, and this time please type for clean mgr. It is CLEANMGR, and click on the OK button here. And in a few moments, you would be able to bring up this window where you can do this cleanup. So in my case, my this cleanup will free up to 144 MB. In your case, it might be bigger than mine. It might be in I mean GB or gigabyte of the space. So all you need to do is you need to ensure that all of this box are being checked here and click on the OK button and go with delete files to permanently delete it, and kindly wait until the cleaning up of your drive or the C drive is being completed. Once done, you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.